Google has been quietly building one of the most powerful AI ecosystems in the world, and most of it is completely free. From writing assistants to research tools, AI agents to video generators, Google's AI tools are already available right now, and most people have no idea they exist. Today I'm showing you 7 Google AI tools you should already be using in 2026. And I'm going to show you exactly how each one works right here on screen. Welcome back to the AI Edge, your unfair advantage in the age of AI. Quick note before we start, some of the features I'm covering today are being rolled out gradually by Google, and a few require a Google Workspace subscription. I'll be honest with you about which ones as we go. Now let's get into it. The first tool is Gemini, Google's everyday AI assistant available at gemini.google.com. Think of Gemini as Google's most capable free chatbot. You can use it for writing, brainstorming, research, summarizing, and even coding, all for free. Watch what happens when I ask it to generate YouTube video title ideas for a channel about AI tools targeting beginners who want to make money online. The results come back instantly, specific, creative, and immediately usable. What makes Gemini stand out is how deeply it connects with your other Google tools: Gmail, Drive, Docs, and Calendar. It's not just a chatbot. It's an assistant that knows your world, free to use, available to everyone with a Google account. Start here if you haven't already. The second tool is NotebookLM, and this one genuinely surprised me. Go to notebooklm.google.com and upload any document, a PDF, a text file, or even your own notes. Watch what I do here. I upload one of my own video scripts, and NotebookLM instantly becomes an AI expert on that exact content. I then ask it to summarize the key points and generate questions a beginner might ask about the topic. The answers it gives are pulled directly from my document, not general knowledge, which makes it incredibly accurate and specific. This is one of the most underrated AI tools available today, completely free, no subscription required. If you work with documents, research, or notes regularly, this alone will save you hours every week. The third tool is Google AI Studio, and this is where things get seriously powerful. Go to aistudio.google.com and you get free access to Google's most advanced Gemini models. Watch what I build here. A research assistant with one simple system instruction telling it to search the web and summarize findings in clear, simple language. I then ask it, what are the top 3 AI trends happening right now in 2026? And watch it search the web in real time and deliver a structured, sourced answer automatically. This is the tool developers and AI builders use professionally. Google has made the free tier generous enough for anyone to use. No coding, no technical background required. The fourth tool is Google Vids, Google's AI-powered video and presentation creator. Watch what happens when I type a simple prompt asking for a presentation about the top 5 benefits of using AI tools for productivity in 2026. Google Vids begins building the structure automatically, pulling in layout, content, and visuals from the prompt alone. You can see all the AI features available on the right side of the screen: AI video generation, avatar creation, voiceover, image insertion, stock footage, and automatic captions. Important note, Google Vids is designed for Google Workspace users, so the full experience may require a subscription depending on your plan and region. But even exploring the interface gives you a clear picture of where AI-powered video creation is heading. The fifth tool is Google Flow, and this one genuinely feels like the future. Go to Labs, Google Tools Flow, and sign in with your Google account. Google recently moved their ImageFX image generator here, making Flow a complete AI creative studio. Watch as I scroll through the features: image generation, video generation, creative tools all in one place. I then give it a prompt and watch it attempt to generate a video from text alone. The level of detail in what it produces is remarkable. This technology is advancing faster than most people realize. Google Flow offers a free tier to get started, Video generation credits vary by region and account type, so check what's available to you. Even the image generation alone makes this worth exploring. The sixth tool is Google Meet, and most people are only using about 10% of what it can do. Watch what happens when I open Google Meet and click New Meeting. 3 options appear immediately. Create a meeting for later, start an instant meeting, and schedule in Google Calendar. I open each one and watch this. When I click Schedule, it takes me directly to Google Calendar, where the meeting is automatically set up with all the details pre-filled. This seamless connection between Meet and Calendar is powered by Google's AI working in the background. Google Meet also offers AI-powered transcription, meeting summaries, and noise cancellation. Availability depends on your Google account plan and region. Check your Meet settings to see what's available to you right now. The 7th tool is Gemini's integration with Google Docs. And I want to be completely honest with you about what I found. Watch what happens when I click the Gemini icon inside Google Docs. This screen appears. Google's Workspace upgrade page. The full AI writing assistant inside Docs, Gmail, and Sheets is part of Google's paid Workspace plan. But here's what most people don't know. You don't need to pay to get AI help with your documents. Go to gemini.google.com/import and look at this page. This is a hidden Gemini feature that almost nobody knows about. It lets you import your memory and conversation history from other AI tools like ChatGPT directly into Gemini. You copy the prompt shown, paste it into ChatGPT, then paste ChatGPT's response back here. And Gemini remembers everything about you that ChatGPT knew. This means even without a Workspace subscription, you can use Gemini at gemini.google.com to help draft emails, write documents, and summarize content completely free. The paid plan just brings those features directly inside the apps. 7 Google AI tools, most of them free, all of them powerful, and every single one available to you right now. Start with Gemini and NotebookLM today. Both are completely free, require no subscription, and will immediately change how you work and research. The gap between people who know about these tools and people who don't is only going to get wider. Now you know. Comment below which Google AI tool surprised you the most. I read every single one. Hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.